Hey everyone! If you've received an AdsPower credit code from one of our official giveaways or campaigns, first of all, congratulations! This credit helps reduce the cost of your AdsPower subscription. It can't be withdrawn as cash, but you can use it to upgrade your plan and manage your multiple accounts more securely. In this video, we'll walk you through how to redeem it step by step. First, log into your AdsPower account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and hover over Team. Then click on Billing. On this page, you can manage your subscription and payments. To redeem your credit, click Redeem Code and enter your code. As you can see, once the code is successfully redeemed, the wallet balance updates instantly. For example, mine just changed from $0 to $50. Now, let's use that balance to upgrade the subscription. Choose the number of profiles and members based on your needs. For this demo, we'll select 10 profiles and 1 member. If you also have a coupon code, you can enter it below to get an additional discount. Finally, click Subscribe. Select USD Wallet as your payment method and hit Pay Now. Done! Now you can see the profiles have increased from 2 to 12 and members from 1 to 2. That's it! Go ahead and redeem your code now.